I have the belief that if you're stupid enough to get knocked up, you should bear the child, with a few exceptions, and that is medically necessary to save the mother's life, grave sexual assault, maybe faulty protection, yada, yada, yada. Maybe faulty protection is an interesting one. How do you go about determining which pregnancies are and are not a result of faulty protection? Unless you're in the room at the time of conception, they could tell you anything. Had a condom on, didn't work. I don't know how you would prove that one, or how you would triage for those particular cases when you're trying to go through a list of people wanting an abortion. But I have a belief that if you're stupid enough to get knocked up, you have to bear the baby. Do you not see that in that one thought process, in that one sentence, you, A, insult the intelligence of women, B, put 100% of the blame for the pregnancy on the women, with none of it going on the men. C, you don't mention how stupid the men are for knocking up a girl. And D, you put forth your own beliefs onto other people. What you think should happen, everybody should abide by. Right off the bat, first things first, fuck you and your belief. I'm husband to a woman, father to 3 women, grandfather to 2. I have aunts and uncles and sister-in-laws and cousins and so forth and so on, all capable of being pregnant. And your position towards them and their potential pregnancies is grotesque, out of line, and you can go fuck yourself as a result of it. When you have the capacity to understand that it takes 2 to get pregnant, first and foremost, when you have the capacity to hold the same kind of beliefs towards the men who get women pregnant. Keep in mind, a woman gets pregnant, she's pregnant that one time for a period of months. A man can impregnate 20 women in a day. You don't seem to say a word about that. When you have the capacity to recognize and acknowledge that, you come back and see us, and when you come back and see us, please understand that it still won't be your fucking business what a woman does with her body, even when you have the capacity to recognize that there's a man involved as well. Okay? All right, go fuck yourself.